everyone. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can find MAC address on Windows 10. First step, on the bottom left corner of your screen, search CMD on the search tab and this will lead you to the command prompt. Once command prompt has opened, you simply have to type this command. Make sure that the spelling and spacing is correct. Type get MAC space /v space FO space list and press enter. Now, on the generated results, just look for physical address because the physical address is the MAC address. And that's how easy it is to find MAC address on Windows 10. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again next time.